Hi, Susie here, your local independent sensei consultant. Today's live is all about our air purifier. I purchased ours in September last year, just after it had launched. I did mine on half price. So I want to show you how to change the replacement filter. Now I've used ours quite substantially over the past 9 months in total. I've taken it to a couple of events with us where it is cleaned an open air space, because the most recent event was actually in a public park. It's been in hall events with me as well, and obviously cleaned those rooms. So you will see that my filter has quite substantial use to it. Haven't opened it up, so no idea what to expect when we open it, but the new filter arrived today. And we've got some nice new pods to add into it as well. When we generally use ours, hubby tends to pick the fragrance of the pods that goes in, always sort of citrusy fragrances. So I'm just going to open up the base. That's where you take out the old filter. Now you can see that it is quite dark. On the inside you can see all the bacteria, the pollen, the dust mites it has picked up. So I'm just going to obviously pop that down and open up the new filter. I'll be able to show you the difference between the old filter and the new filter that's just arrived. So obviously nice bright white, quite dusty and grey and dull. So you pop your new filter in. Now it's got a little arrow on the lid to give you the idea of where you lock the unit back up. To lock it into place, and you turn it back up that way. So on the front you've got your buttons on there to test what level that you want to put it on. So I'm just going to pop the new fragrance pods in. We're going with kukui and coconut this time. So 2 new pods. Plug the baby in and switch her on. So you will notice the indicator is showing it's white, nice clean air in our room. I want to just show you how easily it does detect those bad particles in the air. Now I've got one of those liquid vapes here, so if I puff that into the air, it should change colour. So now it's changed to red. The fan's got quite a bit noisier, so it is cleaning the air around in our room because it's detected those bad particles. The air purifier will clean up to 99.5% of those particles in your home. Even if you're using it in a public place, it will still remove some of those bad particles. It will remove dust, pollen, bacteria, mould. So I think we have definitely got value for money. And there we go, it has cleaned that air and it has now gone back to white again and tells me that our air in our room is now clean. If anyone's got any questions, please feel free to pop me a inbox or a message. Speak to you soon.